dresser. Sophia, look. I think there's somebody at the door for you. The mailman came. Should we go check? Let's go check. Go open the front door. Go open the front door. It's dark in here. Let me turn the light on. What is that? What is that big package? What is that, Sophia? Should Mommy get it? Mommy get it. I think that's from Mama. Back up, Mommy, bring it in the house. Is it a surprise? Now what? Don't you want to see what the surprise is? You need to be strong. Do you want Mommy to open it? Okay, let's go look. What is it? What do you think it is?
It's a box.
It's a box. Here, pull it. Hold on, Mommy, let's get this side. I can't get this side, of course. Okay, what do you think it is? Come over this side with Mommy. Come here, come on this side. Look, Sophia, come over here with Mommy. Come on this side. What is it? Uh-oh. Oh, we gotta take another box. Take another one. Here's another box. Oh.
I'll put this down for a minute.
Just gonna miss her reaction. I'll get it. I'll get it. Look, look, look. What is it? Look.
A horsey. And a really horsey.
Is it a horsey?
We're going to the market for another box. Mommy, don't shake it.
Yeah, Mommy needs a scissors. This is a big horsey. Wow. Give him kisses. I want me to get him out and then you can give him a kiss. Yep. Uh-oh. Are you going to come say hello to the horsey? Oh, he's so soft. Okay, Mommy, hold it. Mommy used to put them together. Then you can rocky on him. Wow. Wow! Mommy used to put it together so you can rock. Look, there's more. Look, Sophia. It goes on here. Somehow. Oh.
Mommy has to tie.
Mommy has to tie it. I think Daddy has to do something to it. And then you rocky rock.
You love your new horsey?
You have to tell him. Do you tell your horsey?
Sophia, you like your new horsey?
The table needs the White House. What is that?
Here it is. Daddy's almost done with it. Okay, we're gonna rocky. Are you ready? Wait. It's not working. The battery. Go ahead, Sophia. Put your monkey down. Wow! Look at you, Rocky. Are you happy? Sophia, can you touch your horsey? Oh. You giving him kisses? Look at her. Say thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mama. You're welcome.
And how do you say it in German?
Thank you, Sean.
No, how do you say thank you?
Thank you.
In German. Do you say Dankeschön? You have your own rocking horse. Look at Mommy and smile. Look at Mommy, Sophia. Hey, Sophia. Look. Hi. Smile.
Hi.
Look, there's Sophia. Rocky. All right, say thank you for my birthday present, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy needs to turn around.
Okay, but you have to say thank you, Mom, for my birthday present.